Okay. Hello and welcome. I know this is not the scheduled time for a class, but today we missed a class in the morning. But I didn't want to miss this opportunity to take a recording of it. So in your leisure time, you can follow this recording. Many of you, if you get some notification, you can join it here directly. Still, we will record it for the future reference. So we have completed 130 aphorisms. We are dealing with the provings. Okay, let me set the frame. We are dealing with the provings. What is proving actually? Proving is the second business of the physician. We have told that knowledge of medicine consists of two parts. Knowledge of medicine means the instrument intended to cure consists of two parts. Number one is the knowledge of medicine in general. Number two is the knowledge of medicine in particular. So by proving, what we are gaining is the knowledge of medicine in particular. And what these aphorisms is actually telling us, that knowledge of how to attain, how to gain this knowledge, that is in particular. So if you are a little bit stimulated by this to read the provings, what is the advantage of reading the provings, original provings? Where you will get these provings? You will get these provings in Mathematica Pura, chronic diseases, in Allen's Encyclopedia, and Richard Hughes' drug pathogenesis, Encyclopedia of Drug Pathogenesis. These are the source books where you can actually refer the original provings, symptoms, how these has been collected, and these are helpful in our clinic in the sense that after going through these proving records, you will be able to ask your patient such questions like this Sunday we were talking Peter Morrell. Many of you have listened that he was telling that Hahnemann was asking his patient, quizzing his patient a lot in different directions, and he guessed that this was because of the knowledge of provings. He himself have proved drugs, so he have a good knowledge of this aspect of medicine. Means in particular, a medicine can produce these kind of what kind of symptoms, and what symptom is more peculiar to one medicine, and this will help you to understand your case better. So what these aphorisms are telling, how to gain this knowledge. Okay, so number 131, disadvantages of increasing dose. What are, we have read the advantage of beginning with a strong dose, advantage with beginning with a strong dose. That means a single dose was given and then wait and watch the symptoms. By that, what you are gaining? You are gaining the sequence of the symptoms. And we have discussed that the later appearing symptoms, I have given you a task also, that go to proving, note down the later appearing symptoms, which symptoms are coming after 30 days or after 4 weeks or 5 weeks, like that, and see that symptom in the repertory, in which if it is in top grade, write it down for your clinical purpose, for your clinical use. So this is one of the tasks I have given to you in the last class, that the later appearing symptoms in the sequence, like 1 to 10 symptoms have appeared, the number 10 symptoms according to chronology, the 10th symptom is more important. We have referred OrganonEasy laser writing article on borax. You will get this reference there, that those symptoms which are in the proving appears later. Okay, those are more important. So this is later. This is about later appearing symptom, and this is only possible when you have a track of a sequence of symptoms noted down, and this is only possible when you are giving your proving medicine in